Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Mrs. M, and I'm so glad that you were able to join me with so much going on in the world and in our lives. I just wanted to make sure that we still think about what we need to do in our future, and that's to make sure that we have a professional, successful, and profitable cleaning business. As time goes on, it's going to be even more important to make sure that we are bringing the best of ourselves and our cleaning company to potential customers as we continue to go through what we're going through with the virus. There's going to be more and more people and clients that are going to look to rely on us to bring our expertise to make sure that we keep their facilities safe. So tomorrow we're having a free webinar. I would love for you to join us. It's going to be how to build a professional and successful cleaning business. It's actually called Blueprint for a Successful and Cleaning Business. I'd love for you to join us tomorrow, and it's easily able to connect to the link below. Just make sure you hit the link below. We're going to have a small update on the different types of ways that you can actually help protect your company from the cash flow or any upcoming problems with or concerns with the virus. So we will do an updated version and keep you abreast of that, all the changes. So it will be updated, and I hope with everything going on that you're able to join me tomorrow. It's going to be 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's only going to be for only an hour. And it's actually live, so you can ask any questions that you have about what's going on currently, or why is this the best time to start an actual cleaning business, or any other questions you may have. We've been doing this for over 20 years, so looking forward to all the questions and just kind of letting you know that we're there for you. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure you hit the link below to sign up. We have limited spacing, so don't delay. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.